Man, I want to show you guys something fun I started picking up. I actually work out with a weighted vest on, doing a lot of cardio with it, and wanted a way to dress it up to make it actually look a little bit less intimidating. And I found these fun little patches, and I think they are incredible. They're made by XMJY, and I just want to show you a little bit about them. First of all, they are hook and loop or Velcro designed patches, and so if you have, like myself, a weighted vest that they can go onto, they will just stick right on it. But it also comes with this nice backer, so if you do have an item that isn't hook and loop compatible, you can sew this on it and it will make it hook and loop compatible. The patch itself is a nice, well-designed patch. Good, nice, bright colors. No frayed edges or anything like that for you to worry about. And this is my steel-plated workout vest. We'll go with that. And as you can see, it's got, like most of these, it's got a spot for hook and loop patches, and these stick so well. Look, if you are looking for a fun little patch to add to whatever that you might have, check these out. They're great, they're funny, they're made by XMJY. I think you're gonna love them.